Welcome to my YouTube channel Info Riders. Now in this section we will be designing an animated text using HTML and CSS. Now let's get started. Now in the Sublime text editor, create a new file and save it with an extension at .html. Save it. Here we are writing a syntax of HTML. Here I use the plugins so that I got immediately the code. Give the title as animated text. In the h1 tag, in the body section, save it. Save the entire and copy the file and go to the Chrome browser and just paste the link and run it. You get the info riders as the text. Now we can see the text. Now when we style the link this main with the main file animated.html using the link command. Here this is the universal tag which is applicable for the entire file. Margin and padding 0. Go to the Google Fonts, link will be given in the description box, and take this as bold 700 and click on the select this style and go to the embedded part and copy the link and just paste it in the animated.html file below the link. Then again copy the CSS rule specified family that link and just paste it in below the style.css family. Now align the text to the center. Now we'll give the color to the text as a transparent and use the background image. Now for the background image, we'll go to jiffy.com. Here we can search as a rainbows for one of the styles. You can take any other styles. Here I am using a rainbow style. and just go to the rainbow and go to the copy link and just copy the GIF link and then just paste it to the section of URL and again save it and go to the Chrome and run it again. You will get as the image as info riders in the center with the large fonts. And now we can make WebKit background. Clip text and save and run it again. You will see the desired output info riders. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and follow me on Instagram page. Link will be given in the description box. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section and I'll try to resolve it.